Hey, this is Mike from Style Flip. Today we want to give a quick preview of the Behringer TD-3 customizable skins available now at styleflip.com. This is the Behringer TD-3 customizable skins, created online and shipped worldwide. You can upload your own image, create your own design, add back the knob layer text in the color of your selection right off of our website. We ship you a customizable skin right to the front of your door that's easy to apply, comes off smooth without leaving a mark on your unit. This is the Behringer TD-3 customizable skins, available now at styleflip.com. Check us out. We ship worldwide. Comment, like, let us know what you think about our Style Flip removable skins.